Just keep going. Okay, you're a small fry. You got a Tic Tac. Just get over it. What? Can you repeat that?
Microscopic.
Hi, Christian.
Hello.
What's your name?
Colin.
Do you have a Tic Tac?
Colin Graham. He needs one. Hey, you. What do you mean? I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. So do I. No, I thought you brushed with a toilet brush. Oh!
I use a toothbrush as my toilet brush.
Oh my god.
Run, small fry.
Go get your brother Blake. Let's go back to Tokyo, guys. I don't know how he'll get here. Why? His bike's broke.
How do you break it?
I don't know.
Do you know? That was nasty. Do you know?
No, am I looking at your phone?
Okay.
Oh yeah, Colin.
My phone
Stop
sucks.
writing my sister on AIM and stop coming to our house. I don't have your sister on AIM. I have her on MySpace. Well, whatever. Stop writing her on MySpace. Why?
What bus do you ride?
You're Bucky 7.
Oh, I thought you were in 8th grade. I'm sorry.
Go to the bank and get your money. Go to the bank and get your money.
Already, Sydney? Go to the bank and get your money. Go to the bank and get your money.
Save the homeless, feed the poor. Save the homeless, feed the poor. Yeah.
What are you looking at?
I'm hanging with the cool group. The cool group.
Yeah, that'd be us.
The cool group. You know it. And Kenny's not in it.
Kenny's in it, dude. He's like one of our BFFs.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
That's because he's your baby's daddy.
Oh, yeah, he's my baby's daddy.
Yeah, toots. Hey, cop. Cop. Get in.
He's stupid. He doesn't do nothing. He just goes around our neighborhood and gives us bubble gum.
Stop the car and give us bubble gum. That's Alex. Shut up.
Where's my neighborhood? I'm videotaping him. So if they murder us, I have it on video. If they murder us, I have them on video now.
Who's that?
What's your name, kid? He's got. Yes.
Oh my god.
You can't delete this. I have to have this on my MySpace.
Geeks hanging out with 2 people that play RuneScape.
Brandon! Shut up.
Why
Kenny.
did you
I
say
want to make.
I said Brandon.
Mr.
Who's Brandon? Brandon was that kid you just went by.
Oh.
Bye, Brandon! Do you know who you are? No.
Because you guys keep fighting.
No.
Did you know what a Tic Tac is?
You probably don't want to know. What did you say? I said weenus.
And he thinks you have a Tic
Weenus is upon your elbow.
He thinks you have a small one. He tells us all the time.
Come here. No. At least I don't check out my brother. Oh, wait. Me too. Well, yeah, but I mean, you did. You know what I mean? Okie dokie. Call me.
Run, fast boy. I'm just kidding. Come on, small fry.
I'm not fighting because I'm cool. Hey, Allie, where's my bag?
You didn't bring a bag.
Yeah.
Hey, this fight's not over. Keep going. You know what? He said that you have ugly hair too. I can't do something.
Even have hair.
Did you see that? He just called you bald.
I have to tell my friends goodbye, so it might be. I don't care. Okay, everybody shut up. Who is it? He's calling my stepdad. Why?
Did you just tell me to shut up?
Yeah.
I'm gonna knock you out.
Why,
Never mind,
guys?
you have a bike, so I'm not gonna knock you out.
You got a bike. Guys, shut up. Here, wait. 10 seconds.
Okay, I'm gonna watch this.
No, okay, 50. This should be a bathroom.
Do you want to videotape them on the swings? Scuba.
What?
What?
I know we got a good.
Go pee in that bush over there.